Keith.
I'm Michael.
We're at Holley LS Fest West 2019.
Las Vegas, Nevada. Right here, it's Saturday today, one of our biggest days. We got a ton of events going on today, so let's go check them out.
We got $10 t-shirts and $15 hats. We're over here at Mr. Chow's Sideshow. Getting a little out of control. We are stoked to see a sold-out Grand Champion competition, along with a full autocross competition. This place is crawling with awesome late model muscle cars, pro touring cars, Corvettes, and everything in between. Las Vegas Motor Speedway has a 4-lane drag strip. We've been keeping it busy all weekend.
Back to flaps flying off.
Got the biggest show and shine ever out here at LS Fest West 2019. We've got cars, trucks, vans of all shapes and sizes.
We're here at LS Fest West. We got Nick Savage. That's how good it is. And we're about to do Cleetus and Cars, a little 1-hour shindig burnout contest. Have some fun.
Drift Challenge gets lit here at LS Fest.
We got Horatio back. We're gonna go up top and check out some dirt monkeys at the dirt track doing some off-road stuff with good old LS and LT engines.
Shred.